Welcome to AdFlux. In this video I will demonstrate how to use report feature in AdFlux. Let's click on Report tab as shown. Report section provides the ability to check and generate reports about status of players in the network and proof of play for ad campaigns. By using the group drop-down menu as shown, you can check the status of all players in the network or specific group of players in the network. Select the desired group of players as shown and click on Show Results. This will provide status of players within the group selected. To sort the players by their status, use Status drop-down menu as shown. For example, if I want to check all online players in the network, set the desired status to online as shown and click on Show Results. Please click on Download icon to download any status report of players. An Excel sheet is then downloaded to your device as shown. Now let's click on Proof of Play icon in Report tab. This section of AdFlux allows you to check and generate detailed reports about ad campaigns on selected group or individual players. In this video I'll show how to generate a proof of play report for all the asset on a player. Let's start by selecting the asset using the drop-down menu as shown. Now set the scope of this asset. You can either choose a specific player or group of players in the network. Here I had chosen Demo Screen 2. Now select the date range for your proof of play report as shown using the calendar. Now click on Show Results. This will generate a detailed report on selected asset being displayed on selected screen, including time and duration of the ad campaign. You can always change the level of detail for the proof of play report by using the Detail Level drop-down menu. Click the Show Results icon after selecting the level of detail. Please click on Download icon to download this proof of play report as an Excel sheet. This concludes our video. Thanks for choosing AdFlux.